Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove a key on from Messenger in iPhone. So first of all, you need to applications in order for you to do this. One, of course, is Facebook and another is Messenger. Okay guys, in order for you to actually remove your account over on Messenger, you can't necessarily do that directly using Messenger, which is why you actually need Facebook to help you. And in order for you to do this well, all you need to do, guys, is to actually log in, or rather log out from your current account. So let's head on over to our profile icon over here in the very bottom corner, and head on over to the very bottom of the settings of this tab and log out from this device. So basically, once you log out from your device over here, I want you guys to log in using a different account. So preferably you need to have a different account in order to succeed with this tutorial. So basically you log in using any account that you'd like. I think I'd like to use this account right here. And once you have done that, I want you guys to click over here on your Messenger icon on the top right corner of the screen. And then, of course, once you do that, basically it's going to automatically log in using that account, and then boom, you have now logged in using another account over here and basically overseas, and basically your account will still be there. So you can still log in over here using other accounts. But basically that is the quickest way for you to log in and remove other accounts. Well, not necessarily removed, but you can log in from another account. And basically you just don't log in until onto your other accounts or onto your main account over here to basically remove it from the device. So basically, if you want to remove an account from the device, you're also not going to use that account. So might as well just log in onto another account and use that instead. Okay guys, that is how you basically remove an account from Messenger on iPhone and as well as Android devices. I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, this has been a How to Web.